How to turn off auto download attachment in Gmail on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down till you find Settings and click on Settings. Then simply click on the Gmail account you want to turn off auto download of. In here, scroll down till you find Download Attachments. Make sure there's no tick mark in Download Attachment. After that, your auto download of the attachment will be turned off. This is how to turn off auto download attachment in Gmail on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.